so this is a water leak, and if you can see the trailing water coming down here, you can see all the rust here. All right, this is on a 2007 truck. What we came across is the sealer up in the hatch area. You got a crack in the sealer right there, and that's where the water's coming in. And you got a crack in the sealer on this side as well. So see if I can get you in on that. See, right behind, see the crack in the sealer? We got water coming in there too. It's coming down this area here and coming right into the back of the vehicle, and then it's filling up the bottom half and filling up the wheel well area as well. So we're going to pour some water right down the channel there. And we're going to watch it come down here. It's going to pour right in there. Yep, that's good. I can see it coming in. I see it coming in right here. Yep.
Try it again.
Yeah, you want to pour that again? Just a little bit.
All right.
See if we can see it coming down here. Yep, there it comes. Right down that. Trailing right down. So that's what you got to look for, is trails of water. Alright, so we still got a leak down in the bottom here. Still water, as you can see, it dripping in right now. It's coming in here. After sealing that all up, there's still water dripping in here.
Well, we're trying.
So we're gonna keep looking. It's gotta be another seam that's leaking. As you can see, the water is getting right in there, puddling up. Alright guys, I got a Honda Crosstour that has a major water leak in the back, next to the XM radio receiver, and also down on the base here, in this whole general area. What I came across was the shock tower. It was all leaking down through here, and it was leaking down and pooling down at the bottom here next to the sunroof drains. But it's not, has nothing to do with the sunroof drains. It has everything to do with the seams, the body seams back here. So if you look behind the panel there, look where it's dripping down. That's what I was talking about. When you're looking for trails of water, this is the things I'm talking about. Just look for a trail, and usually that'll bring you to, where the water's coming in. All right, what I found is that if you look up in here, all around the shock tower, we sealed the seams all around the top of the shock tower, and also we had some other seams that we had sealed, but it was mostly around the shock tower and actually around the gas door. Now if you notice all around the gas door from the inside, this is from the fender looking out, you can see where all the seam is all screwed up. You can see where the gasket, the 3M brushable seam sealer is messed up. So I'm going to seal all this, and this should take care of the whole issue. Alright, so as you can see, I used some brushable seam sealer all the way around the gas door seam, and this should take care of the water leak that was coming in through that seam. So if you have water leaking in up into this channel up here, I know it looks a little crappy because somebody used some styrofoam sealer up there which didn't work, kind of screwed everything up. But up in this area on the driver's side, if the water is leaking down that seam and pooling down at the bottom here, then most likely your gas, you got to remove the gas door pocket and seal around it, because that's where there's missing brushable seam sealer. got a 2014-15 Honda Pilot. Got a problem with water leaking on the driver's floor. Ended up having to follow the hood release cable all the way up underneath next to the fuse box. There's a little grommet up there that wasn't installed properly from the factory. Plugged it back in, drying the car out right now. So turn the heater on high, put it on recirculate and heat and AC, and it's drying out pretty good right now. It's not too bad. Probably let it dry for another 3 hours with the high heat, and the moisture is just going out through the evaporator. So, got any questions or comments, leave them in the box below and I'll be happy to answer for you.